Yo, what's up guys? Welcome to 2T Sneaks. Thanks for tuning in and thanks for being part of the TTS Nation. Before we get into this video, please hit that subscribe button. Today we have an awesome video. Today we're reviewing the Cactus Jack Air Force Ones, the new ones that just came out on the 16th. And so before we get into this, as I said, please subscribe. It's super easy. It's a huge help to me. And also, please like this video. I'll give you 3 seconds as always. 1, 2, smash it. 3. All right, let's get into this video. So right here, we have the box. It's a yellow color. And on the top here, it has the blue oversized Nike logo. And they've been doing this on a few athletic shoes lately, like Air Maxes. And it also has the slide out on the box here. On this side, it has Cactus Jack Records. That is in Russian spelling. And as you can see, I don't know if you can tell on the camera, but it's plastic. And as it's see-through onto the wrapping paper, that also on the wrapping paper it says the Cactus Jack Records all over, also in that Russian print again. On this side over here, it says Cactus Jack in like a branchy rooty kind of wording, like design, which I'll get into why it's like that later in this video. And right here is the like original Cactus Jack smiley face that he puts on a bunch of his stuff, like on the 6s on the inside of the pocket, it's on there. And so let's crack these open real quick. Well, before we crack them open, we'll talk about the size tag right here. So as you can see, there are 10.5. Has the original price tag right there, $160, and it says Air Jordan 1 or Air Force 1 Low Cactus Jack. All right, now we'll open these up real quick, and we'll check them out. Pop open this first shoe right here. So at the first look, as you can see, it has this lace cover on it with the zipper, and this on this side is a black corduroy, and on this side it is a blue canvas material with a gold painted YKK zipper. And on this, with these, you can actually unzip this in half so they come apart as 2 different pieces. So you can mix and match them. So on one shoe, you can have this, you can have both sides this blue canvas or both sides the black corduroy. And as you can see on the inside, this can come off. You just lace these through the loopholes on this, and it comes with this brown lacings to start with. And then it also has these 2 other colored laces that come with it. It comes with this off-white kind of color, like a creamy, and then a black color. And then right here on the tip of this shoe, it has a black suede, this is a very, very nice suede. As you know, on all the Cactus Jack shoes, it has very nice materials. So this has this very nice suede, which also carries up here to a brown suede. And on the toe box here, it has this mildly tumbled leather, which is also very, very soft, just like on the leather on all the other Cactus Jack shoes that have come out. And then on to right here, it has this blue canvas again, just like on the lace cover. And then also right here, it has this burlap material with the Cactus Jack Records again in the Russian text right here on the quarter, coming all the way back onto the heel. This has the root wording again onto this button on the heel strap. It says a TX, if you guys can tell on the camera. And this TX is for Texas because Travis Scott lives in Houston, Texas. And then on the back heel here has the Nike Air logo, and this is like a wool material. So as you can tell, there's tons of different materials around this shoe. And then right here, if you undo the strap, it has the Cactus Jack logo on the burlap material again. And then on the remedial side here, on the quarter, it has the branch again. The branch pattern again with the Cactus Jack Records with a camo swoosh. And the corduroy here again. Onto the, right here, heading onto the toe box and tip is the corduroy. Once again. And so the reason that Travis Scott designed these the way they are, with all these different like materials like the suede and burlap and the corduroy and all these and the wool and all this stuff is because when he was growing up, he grew up in Missouri City and in like kind of a farm town. And so these are the kind of clothes that he and his family and people around him wore, like out on the farm and stuff like that. And so these are the wool, like maybe in the winter when it was cold there, he wore the wool to keep him warm. The burlap and corduroy and kind of things were kind of like pants. And also right here on the tongue and on the inside of the shoe, it is a flannel kind of plaid print, which would be like kind of a jacket you would wear there. And then coming down here, there's the two different sole. There are two different pieces, with which this one is creamy with a gum bottom on the outsole. And then right here, as you can tell, this is a beautiful touch. It has the mint green lacing, which it really like makes this shoe just pop when you're looking at it. It just makes everything kind of set apart, and it just makes it look very awesome. And then right here, as I said, it has the suede going up again to this mildly tumbled leather. And then we'll grab out the other shoe really quick. They're basically identical, but there is one small difference on the heel strap that I will show you guys real quick. So right here, as you can see on the heel strap, it has an MC, stands for Missouri City, which is where Travis Scott grew up. And also on the inside of the shoe, the pattern is different on this one. On the other one, it was black with the plaid patch, and this one is black with just a brown square on the inside there. And also on the outside of this, the tumbled leather is green, and on the inside, on the remedial side here, the tumbled leather is brown, like a tannish color. And it also on this side, this goes all the way down to onto the toe box and tip area, and on this one, it cuts off around the quarter of the shoe. So we'll take a look at these both really quick and show you guys. As you can tell, they're identical in the color and on the blocking of the materials. Flipping to the outside here really quick. And as I said before, these are just a beautiful shoe. I saw these on pictures before they came out, and I really liked these. The only thing I didn't really love about them was the lace cover, but in person it does look a lot cooler. And I know some people that have actually bought these on site on the resale value without liking them on the pictures because they saw them in person and thought these were just an absolutely awesome sneaker here. And I agree, these are one of my personally favorite Air Force Ones, and I wear Air Force Ones a lot, and so these are one of my favorites with all the complexity of the sneaker, all the different patterns, colors, all the different materials on them, and really sets these apart between any other shoe. And also compared to a lot like the other Air Force Ones that Travis Scott did, these set apart from those because those were just to take on the like all white Air Force One, and these really pop with all the different things, and they're really different. And so let me know down in the comments what you guys think of these sneakers right here, and let me know your rating on a 1 out of 10 on the 2T scale. In my opinion, these I would give a 9 because these are just absolutely a beautiful shoe. And let me know how you guys are rocking these with the lace covers on or without them on, how you're mixing these up and the different laces, and show me. DM me on Instagram. It's 2T Sneaks with the number 2, and show me how you guys are rocking these and any other shoes you guys want to show me. I always love to see your guys' outfits. And so to wrap this up, these are beautiful, as I said, and we'll see you next time. Thank you guys so much. Peace.